how to fix Google Play Store can't install app on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store can't install app on Android phone. First, open settings and here scroll down until you find apps, and then click apps again, and here you will find type Google Play and you will find Google Play services. Click on it and then click storage and clear cache, and now click draw over other apps and make sure it's enabled, and then go to right system settings and also make sure it's enabled, and then go back and go to Google Play Store and go to storage, clear data and click OK, and that's it. Then restart your phone and go back, try again, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.